is quite a beautiful mountain range, wouldn't you say? What is that noise? Oh my. You ruined my moment. What was that disgusting thing? Alright. Hello folks. Today we're going to be taking a look at possibly the worst vehicle in the entirety of BeamNG. Yes, that's right, a squatted truck. And this is not a mod, I built it from the regular D series. I just used the part configurator, or whatever it's called, to edit and change basically everything about the truck to make it as terrible as possible. So let's give this thing a startup. Turn the volume up here so you can hear all the disgusting noises. It actually doesn't sound too bad because you can't really adjust the exhaust sounds too much in this game, but it is kind of obnoxiously loud. It is rear-wheel drive, and it's got an open diff, so... Whoops. Oh, and by the way, that's right, it has a reverse beeper. How annoying can you possibly get? This thing is terrible. Alright, so let's take it for a little drive. Oh, yeah, the rear brakes, well, there's only front brakes, so yeah, the stopping power is very limited. I'll demonstrate that here. So if you try to stop quickly, front tires lock up. The rear tires just do nothing. At least it makes it slightly less squatted when you do that. And that does mean that it could do a pretty good burnout. But anyways, yeah, even the paint job. I mean, this pink is loathsome with and is dirty and scratched and grimy. I mean, who likes these things? That's what I want to know. So let's do some tests with this. I mean, does it perform like a normal truck? Well, the braking is pretty terrible, but it seems to handle maybe comparable to a stock D series. I built it off of the frame of, I believe it was, where was it? I think it was this D series right here, the D15 four-wheel drive extended cab. But I took away the four-wheel drive. I took away pretty much everything good about the truck and replaced it with everything bad and annoying. Let's take it around the handling circuit and see how it does. So we'll make this one lap here because I honestly don't think it'll last 2 laps. Mainly because of my lack of driving skill, but also because it's probably going to crash itself. Already lack of traction. It's got an automatic 4-speed. There we go. See, when you lock up the brakes, since it only has front brakes, it completely doesn't steer. So I locked up the brakes and it just went straight into the wall. It didn't steer at all. And now the front end's bent, so it wants to pull to the right. Pretty terrible turning radius. Oh boy. Yeah. Pretty terrible turning radius. And I'm not going very fast. I mean, I shouldn't be going too fast for these turns, but this thing just doesn't like to make me. Loss of traction again. Due to that rear-wheel drive open diff. Well, there we go. We got 2 minute. Alright, next I want to try taking off the car jump arena, because I mean, it should handle about like a D series in terms of distance, but we'll try it anyways. Around 146 it looks like, and around the what, 260, 279. Okay, interesting. Well, the tires are incredibly non-durable, I will tell you that. They just break from the slightest impact. If you go over a curb wrong, they'll pop. I've had just about enough of that truck, so let's destroy it with a real truck. I'm going in slow motion here. There we go. It's pretty trash. There's not a single wheel left on the thing. The doors are all blown out, and yeah. Well, I can tell you one thing for sure. It looks better already in this state than it did when it's together, honestly. Alright, well I hope you enjoyed this video. It's kind of a silly one. So anyways, thank you for watching.